We'll replace the Earth with a Minecraft block. The Earth is not just a rock in the middle of space. It has an atmosphere, water, and all required things for life. But if we had to replace it with a block, everything around you would change drastically. Things like the climate, sun exposure, your dog, and even life could be severely affected. But firstly, we gotta know the dimensions of the cube to see how much of a difference it will be.
Ring, ring, ring.
Like we said before, let's go for the dimensions of the cube first. So, the volume of the Earth is this number right here, calculated by using the volume of the sphere. Then, we use it on the volume of the cube formula. We solve for L by applying the radical and we have our result. So that will be the length of each side of the cube. But because of these new dimensions, everything is going to change totally. Gravity won't be the same anymore. Because it is a cube, the pull you experiment on the edges won't be the same as the one you experiment on the center, meaning you could be floating on one side while being normal on the other one, and everything on the same planet. As a consequence of this, our atmosphere would suffer a lot too. We won't have any air on the edges, and the hurricanes will be like crazy. This happens because of the gravity change. Because it's now balanced across the surface, we're going to have different pressures, therefore, a lot of winds. But so far, this is not the worst yet. With gravity stronger at face centers, it means that you will have oceans only on the center of the cube, while on the edges you'll see dry, desertic land. Definitely not the best place to live, right? And these are not the only changes. You have a lot more, like the sunlight, the geology, and even the poles. You could even have six of them at the same time. So, yeah, after this, I don't like to play Minecraft anymore. Still, though, this is when you replace the Earth with a cube. What if we were to do the same thing by using lion?